What's your schedule like today? Duncan, I'm so busy. Look, I've got to wake up, 1 p.m, play Fortnite. Hello everybody and welcome to Words Phrases. Today's word is this word, and it means a plan that lists tasks and times. But how do you say it? Well, here lies the problem. There are two ways, the British way and the American way. So, the British pronunciation is schedule, 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 schedule. The American pronunciation is schedule, schedule, schedule. Now, to be honest, I very often say schedule, but because I'm British, in today's practice, I'm going to try and use the pronunciation schedule. Okay, let's have a look at some examples of the word schedule in action. Okay, so what are we looking at here? Well, we're looking at a typical student's room. Hey Robert, what's your schedule like today? Duncan, I'm so busy. Look, I've got to wake up, 1 p.m, play Fortnite. Then after that, got to eat some instant ramen, and then from 7 o'clock, I have to drink beer. Wow, you really are busy. Yes, us students, we have very busy schedules. Okay, let's have another look at the use of the word schedule. What do we have here? Well, this appears to be two bankers talking about their schedules. This one is Timothy, this one is Terry. Now, they're going to use some words to describe the progress of their projects. We often hear ahead of schedule, which means early, on schedule, which means at the right time, and behind schedule, which means late. Timothy, what's your schedule like today? Well, Terry, look, I plan to make $10 million by 12 p.m. and then by 3 p.m. retire. How's it going? Well, actually, I'm ahead of schedule. It's only 10 a.m. and I've made $9 million. That's amazing. What about you? Actually, unfortunately, I'm behind schedule. I've only made $1 million. Ho ho ho, never mind. There's always tomorrow. That's so true, Timothy. Okay, so to sum up, whether you're a student or a banker, you'll have a schedule. There are two pronunciations, British schedule, American schedule. Doesn't matter which one you use, they're both fine. Now, depending on how fast you work, you will either be ahead of schedule, on schedule, or behind schedule. Finally, all I want you to do is answer this question in the comments. What's on your schedule today? Alright, that's it from me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you watch again and practice your pronunciation, and definitely hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm off to play Fortnite. I'm going to make some money and retire.